Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to make an assessment of speaking of a student. Let's see how it goes. What is your name?
My name is Mohammed Nazimuddin.
Okay, Nazim, are you ready? I'm going to give you topic of cue card
Yes,
activity.
absolutely.
And as you know, this is a 2 minutes presentation.
Of course.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, your topic is talk about someone who belongs to a medical profession, and the query points are who is she or he, and why he or she chose this profession, and how do you feel about him or her. Go ahead, your time starts.
As far as the topic is concerned, I would like to shed some light on it. According to the concerned topic, a person who belongs to a medical profession, I know a person who belongs to this profession. She is my cousin. Her name is 𝐅𝐨𝐫. She is the 5th semester student of Form D in University of Central Punjab. Moreover, when she was a child, her aim to serve for the humanity. She searched about so many professions before that, but after all, as a girl, a medical profession is more better for her to serve for the humanity, help poor and needy peoples as well. Moreover, the second task is that to search about which profession, which field is best for her in medical profession like MBBS, Form D, Doctor of Nutrition also. She decided to become a doctor of medicine. In conclusion, that she is the first doctor in our family and we all have best wishes for her.
All right, is that all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cue card is the main activity for assessing someone's speaking capability. There are 4 components
Yes.
which are important to consider when you are presenting your topic. Number 1 is lexical resource. You know, lexical resource includes collocation, phrasal verbs, and better synonyms. Okay,
Yes.
better synonyms like instead of saying easy, you can say convenient. Instead of saying agree, you can say consent.
Right.
Okay, instead of saying old, you can say ancient. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
phrasal verbs like put on, take off, you know, these
All right.
phrasal verbs are important. Second component is grammatical accuracy.
Yes.
It means whatever you are saying should be accurate from grammatical point of view. Your sentence structure should be accurate. You have to use the right form of verb, and you should know which tense you're using
Yes.
to talk about. Okay. Number 3 is pronunciation. Pronunciation means how to pronounce each and every word. You know, reading a language and speaking it are 2 different things.
Yes.
So when it comes to speaking, you need to make a lot of practice of pronunciation. All right.
All right.
Last but not least, fluency. Fluency refers to your capability of speaking and expressing your ideas and thoughts fluently without taking unnecessary pauses. You see? So
Yes.
these 4 components are very important to consider. Each component is given 25% weightage. This was all about his speaking assessment. If you want to get band 7, you can contact us on the number given below.